I'm trying to explain to you guys what functions are, but in my explanation, I know I scatter and jump about a lot, but bear with me because the reason why I'm scattering about is because I want to give you lots of different examples. By seeing lots of different examples, you can build up a mental picture of what's going on. So bear with me. So here's another scatter. I'm going to jump off topic slightly. So here you've got your number line. When you're older, you will do what's called complex numbers. So you will extend up here as well. But don't worry about this complex number line. Just look what our whole number line here. So here you would you would start at 0 here, and then you would go well 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that direction, and then you've got your negative in this direction. Well, this whole number line, the whole number line, well, that belongs to what's called real numbers. So here it belongs to the set of real numbers. So anything, suppose you select, I don't know, minus 1.932 blah blah blah. This number here belongs to, now we use this symbol here, belongs to R. R is everything on the number line here. So you've got other things like integers. Integers are whole numbers here, or all these here, including the negatives. Okay, and then you've got your natural numbers, which will be, well, just these, but on the positives, basically counting numbers. Well, anyway, and then you've got your rational numbers here. So rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction. Okay, so for example, 1 over 4 or 3 over 7. This here belongs to this set here. But don't worry about this too much. Just bear in mind that the whole number line here belongs to R. Okay, this is I will ignore these for the time being. What's important is the R here. It's saying that when you say let's say X belongs to this R here, to the real numbers, it means that you can select any number on here. Okay, so and as you go to the right here, when you get to a really high number, you don't want to keep on saying 99999. You use this symbol called infinity. Now, infinity is not a number. It's just something that's really big, but it's not itself a number. And then over here you've got minus infinity, and the reason why I'm explaining this is because of this. Hang on, going back to our previous two examples, you've got f of x here. F of x is defined as x squared plus 2 in our example from the previous videos. So here you see the domain here would be everything along the real number line. So you can say x. So for x belonging to the real number line. Okay, so here when you say this here, f of x equals this, but then you can also include this to tell people that what goes into the machine can be, so here you've got your machine here, x squared plus 2. What goes into the machine here is x, but this x here can be anything on the real number line. Okay, so it can be any number on the real number line. Okay, going to this one here, this here, f of x here, is equal to 1 over x. But then you cannot put 0 into here. So you got to say, comma, x can be anything belonging to the real number line, well within our real number line, and then comma again, x cannot be 0. Okay, so for you to this is a proper way of stating it. But sometimes sometimes we don't make this statement here. So when we don't make this statement here, you can assume that it belongs to the real number line. So most of the time you will see this, f of x equals 1 over x. But if they don't state this, and sometimes they would just put comma, cannot be 0. But without stating this, then you have to assume that it belongs. Well, you can select x belonging to any number within our real number line. Okay, but basically anything in our number line. On this one here, so sometimes it's written like this: f of x equals x squared plus 2, without us stating this, x belonging to the real number line. Well, you would just get given this here, in which case you have to assume that x, well, you can select x, any number x belonging to the real number line, okay, to the real, well, anything within our real number line, okay.